Namaskar. Do you know that your body is governed by many energies that you may not even be aware of? Each and every cell of your body is managed by these energies, and they play a vital role in your physical, emotional, and spiritual health. I know some people are quite skeptical about energy fields in our body, but it is actually an integral part of many spiritual and healing practices like yoga, Ayurveda, and traditional Chinese medicine. Energy healers believe that by tapping into energy field, they can promote healing, relaxation, and balance. In spirituality, everything is made of energy. Here are some of the different types of energies that are often discussed. Aura is a subtle energy field that surrounds living beings and is believed to reflect their physical, emotional, and spiritual state. Another energy that we know is chakra energy. These are energy centers in our body that influences our emotions, health, and spiritual growth. Next is universal energy, a universal life force energy that connects all things in the universe and can be harnessed through practices such as meditation and yoga. Hatha Yoga involves specific practices to cultivate and direct the flow of energy in our body, including pranayama, our breathing techniques, asanas, postures, and mudras, hand gestures. Similarly, there are many other forms of energies like prana, that is life force energy, kundalini energy, reiki energy, negative energy, etc. What if we could work with these energy fields to release these blockages and restore balance in the body and mind? But today we are going to explore specifically looking at the popular modality known as Reiki. Reiki is a Japanese technique for stress reduction and relaxation that also promotes healing. It's based on the idea that the Reiki practitioner can channel energy into a patient by means of touch to activate the natural healing process of the patient's body and restore physical and emotional well-being. What sets Reiki apart from other forms of healing is that it involves the transfer of energy from the practitioner to the recipient, unlike other forms of energy work that can be done on oneself. Reiki requires a practitioner to channel and direct the energy in the body of recipient. The practice is based on the idea that the body has an energy field that can be manipulated and directed to promote healing and well-being. In a typical Reiki session, the recipient lies down or sits comfortably while the practitioner places their hand on or near different parts of the body. The practitioner uses various hand positions and techniques to facilitate the flow of energy, which is believed to promote relaxation, balance, and healing. The recipient may feel a sense of warmth, tingling, or relaxation during the session. Just like yoga, Reiki influences the autonomic nervous system, reduce stress hormones, and promote the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkiller. It also works on a subtle energetic level to help release blockages and restore balance to the body and mind. Although it has many benefits, it should not be used as a replacement for a medical treatment. While Reiki can be used to support the conventional medical treatment, it is a supportive system. It should not be used as a replacement for professional medical advice or treatment. These are techniques that directly manipulates energy. Therefore, they must always be learned from a genuine practitioner or someone who has truly mastered them. Always exercise extreme caution when working with energies, as it can have devastating adverse effect on you. Therefore, I always recommend that better you take charge of your own vitality rather than relying on an external source to heal it. You can control of your energy by positive thinking, consuming a healthy diet, and exercising daily. These are much more powerful ways to harness positive energy in you. Practice yogic discipline and see your aura transforming to positive and vibrant state. Namaskar.